Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, pag-aaralan natin ay integration by parts. With the formula of the integral of u dv is equals to v u v minus v the integral of v d. Okay, so with that, let's have our first example, which is the integral of v sine squared v dv. So we will set the value of in integrating by parts, we need to find four values, which is u, v, du, and dv. But in this case, we're using v. So to avoid confusion, let's switch the variable. So, we will use a. Pero parehas lang din naman. So, for this example, our formula will be a db is equals to ab minus integral of b dA. Okay? So, we need to find the value of a, and then the dA, the db, and then the b. So, the value for the a will be v, and then the derivative of v is dv, and the value for the db is sine squared v dv. So, we need to integrate that. So, the integral of sine squared v db is equals to, first thing to do here is to palitan yung sine squared v using the double angle formula. It's this double angle formula. So it states here that cosine 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared a. So, kailangan natin yung, since v yung variable natin dito, we can say that a is equals to v. So, we can say cosine 2v is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared v. Tapos, kailangan natin ma-exclude yung sine squared v. So, ang mangyayari dito is 2 sine squared v is equals to 1 minus cosine 2v all over 2. So, basically, it just means that, it just means that the value of sine squared v is equivalent to 1 minus cosine 2v all over 2, according to the double angle formula. Pagkatapos yan, we can integrate it na. So, we can say it is the integral of 1 minus cosine 2v all over 2. So, by integration, we can put 1/2 outside the integral sign. So, we have integral of 1 minus cosine 2v. So, the integral of 1 is just v. So, we will have 1/2 v minus 1/2, kasi ito yung 1/2 didistribute dito and then dito, kaya may 1/2 din yung isa. Tapos the integral of cosine 2v, we set u as 2v, our du is 2 dv, and our dv is 2. So bali may 1/2 pa tayo dito, so may 1/2 tayo, and then the integral of cosine u is sine u, the value of u is 2v. So, we will have the value of 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine 2v. So, that will be our b value, which, wait, i-delete na muna natin. So, we got the value of our b, which is 1/2 v minus 1/4 sine 2v. So with that, we can plug in our known values to our equation. So we have the integral of v sine squared v dv is equals to a, which is v, and b, which is v over 2 minus 1/4 sine squared v. Ay, sine 2v pala, hindi siya squared. 2v pala. So, it should be 2v. Wait, i-delete natin. So, dapat 2v. Sine 2v. Sine 2v. Okay? So, minus the integral of b, which is v over 2 minus 1/4 sine 2v multiplied by the dA, which is just dv. Okay, so ito, okay na to. Ito na lang yung problema natin. So, let's go ahead and integrate that. We will have the value of the integral of v over 2 minus 1/4 sine 2v. So, the integral of that is simply the integral of v over 2 minus the integral of 1/4 sine 2v. So, the integral of this is just 1/2 v raised to 2 over 2. So, magkakaroon ng 1/4. And then minus 1/4 times 1/2 cosine 2v. So, magkakaroon ng 1 over 4 v squared minus 1 over 8 cosine 2v. So, ipaghalo-halo na natin. So, magkakaroon tayo ng final answer. The integral of v sine squared v dv is equals to v over 2 minus 1/4 sine 2v minus v squared over 4 minus 1/8 cosine 2v plus c. So, that can be your answer, pero pwede natin siya masimplify pa by distributing v to this equation. Okay? So, to distribute that, we will have the final answer. V sine squared v dv is equals to v squared over 2 minus v over 4 sine 2v minus v squared over 4 minus 1/8 cosine 2v plus c. So, this is our final answer. So, thank you for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more contents like this.